What's up guys, for today's video I'll be taking a look at the all-new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the GMC Terrain was redesigned to the second generation body style in 2018 after a long overdue redesign to compete in the compact SUV market. And since the redesign, GMC sold over 55,000 units. My current tester is the SLT trim, which is the trim in between the SLE and the Denali. The SLT trim comes standard with 18-inch aluminum wheels, leather seats, driver and passenger heated seats, and much more, which made my tester has a window sticker of $32,000 after options. So the engine on this car is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 170 horsepower at 5600 RPM and 203 pound-feet of torque at 2000 RPM. Connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission that sends the power to the front wheels and has a maximum towing capacity of 1500 pounds. And as for fuel economy, the 1.5 liter makes an amazing 26 miles per gallon city and a 30 miles per gallon highway with a 14.9 fuel tank capacity. So on the driver's side, you have the window control. The driver's side window is fully automatic. Right above it, you have the window lock. You also have the mirror controls. And right above that, you have the chrome door handle with lock and unlock and 2-stage memory seat. And right below, you have the trunk release. You also have a small storage and a small bottle holder along with the speaker. And on the left-hand side steering wheel, you have your automatic light control with fog lights and your electronic parking brake. And on the steering wheel, you have 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise control along with the heated steering wheel. You have your GMC emblem in the middle. On the right-hand side, you have your controls for the instrument cluster, along with your voice command.
What would you like?
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call, okay.
And right behind the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your turning signal stalk and the front and rear wiper controls. And on the screen, you have your speed with fuel range along with miles. You also have speed, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, average speed, timer, battery voltage, coolant temperature, economy trend, and oil pressure. You also have the radio, your navigation, your phone, and settings. You have information page, you have units, you also have traction and stability, you have software information and speed warning. And right along the center console you have your 8-inch color screen. Right below you have the radio controls, the hazards, you have dual zone climate control along with your 9-speed automatic transmission. You also have a small storage with a USB-C, USB, auxiliary cord at 12-volt power outlet, and an SD card. And you also have two cup holders. You have your heated seats along with low-speed cruise control and your mode selector. And on the screen you have your audio. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You also have your phone connection. You have the Wi-Fi hotspot. You have settings. You have Apple CarPlay. You have users. You can customize this vehicle for different drivers. You also have the Android Auto. You have the apps you can download. You have OnStar service, the My GMC, and the marketplace.